the other thing is anyone can draw this. This is a very basic, simple drawing in marker, any kind of marker, so just grab one and just get started no matter any drawing experience. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments and I'll answer, or you can rewind and pause the video as it goes along. So then back of the head. Website, but I thought I'd do like a different version. If you want to see that other one, the link is in the description, or I'm going to put it on the top right of the screen here, the little eye, you can press that. Let's go with the hands.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Seen Jurassic World? I have not seen the second movie. I will see it soon. But also, if you guys are drawing, I want you to remember to believe in yourself. That's a big thing. Some people just don't think they can do it. You don't have to be born with the ability to draw. You just have to keep trying. And most people stop trying. The vast majority of people just completely stop trying. Don't do that. Just stay with it. Be consistent. Consistency is almost better than working hard, or it can be the same thing. But don't work really hard for like a week only to do nothing, afterward. Stay consistent, keep drawing, and you're gonna draw things you never thought you could. It's amazing what you could do. Anyways, that is it. Hopefully you liked this drawing. Click the like button if you did. Share the video, because you guys are super nice, and I'm very humbled. Also, this is the very end of the video, so I'm going to give you a word from our sponsor. Our sponsor is Armadillo Pencil Case. This pencil case is amazing. What you can do is slide in here some pencils, and they have a large pocket here for the marker. don't know what you call it, to slide in this marker. And what you can do is you can literally grab this and slap it to your wrist. It is the most organized thing if you're out sketching. You can have it on you at all times and just reach for it and grab for a pencil. You just lean over like this, you know, you put it on your wrist, you just lean over, you grab it, you get started, you go back, put it in here, switch your tool, go over here, switch right here, grab that marker, you know, do the marker thing, and then put it back, and you have all this on hand. It's perfect for sketching out and about. It's also perfect for, like, you know, just sketching around the house. What you can do is you can convert it. You can actually convert it by, there's a big rubber band in the back here. Let me move that out of the way. There's a big rubber band in the back, and this rubber band goes around any book, any sketchbook for the most part, within reason. I'll grab a sketchbook and show it to you next time. But it'll strap to it, and it sticks kind of on the sketchbook. It'll literally like strap to it, so you'll have it on at all times. There's even a magnet. There's other features. Check that out. Arm-Adillo. Get one. There's only a few more left, so go check that out and, you know, tell them I sent you. I don't really know where to. Anyways, thank you so much. That is the end of the video. I appreciate all the responses. You guys are great. Please say hi in the comments, because I say hi back. I respond to every comment. So talk to you guys in the next video. Stay pencil sharp. That's what I'm going to be going with.